Nasi Ziva on standby with our hot topic. Let's go in.
I have a hot topic for today. Listen carefully. Hi KVG, hi 326 Express. I'm a guy aged 37 years and I need your help with my hot topic. So I'm the only child. My mother died during labor and I only know her from pictures and stories I was told by her relatives. Takakura tichitambura. My father died in grade 6, so ndakachengetwa na gogo. I was brilliant in school, so gogo vakakumbira bamnini, my father's brother, kuti vandipo mukana wekudzidza kuHarare pachikoro chiri nani. He provided me with the essential stuff that I needed, but zvaingooneka kuti ndinobva kunamo. In school, I had a few friends, so ndine shamwari yangu yandaitamba nayo, and I would go kumba kwavo kunotamba and would do homework together. So mai vake picked kuti I was a very smart kid and I was good influence kumwana wavo. The unfortunate happened. My bamnini fell sick and could no longer afford my fees nevana vavo, so I was sacrificed. He told me that he can offer me shelter and food only. The whole first term year Form 4 ndinakuenda kuchikoro, and I was surprised one day to see motor outside the gate. My friend and her mom and her dad vachibuda saying, "We are worried about you." They showed concern about not coming to school, and I explained to them my situation. So the family offered to pay for my school fees and exam fees, and in return I would help my friend with challenging topics in math and physics cause Taitama sciences. I finished Form 4 and I passed with flying colors, and my friend passed as well, but we lost touch after school. I started working and I took myself to school, and I have a really good life. Just to cut the story short, so my issue is, I met this guy at a restaurant and I offered to pay his bill. Overwhelmed with joy and gratitude for what his parents did for me, I asked him, "Could I pay you?" And he said yes. I asked to see them. I can't, no problem. We exchanged numbers and I kept checking when I can see his parents, but ango tika tika. After about a month, he eventually sent me a location, but when I got there, I thought ndarasika. They were staying in a house isina kupera using one wing. The mom was so happy to see me, but the dad was not around. She told me how things took a turn for the worst and they had to sell their properties and were left with the one yavaivaka and couldn't finish it now, so things zvakapresa. I left there ndichirwadziwa with what I saw. It was heartbreaking. I told my wife that I wanted to help this family kupedza imba iyi, and she said let's do it. I obviously went to my friend Uya and told him that I wanted to assist, and he said it's not necessary. I told him I have enough resources to help, but he insisted that they were okay. So ndakambosiya nyaya iyi and then requested to meet him after a month or so, trying to convince him to agree kuti ndibatsire. Ndipo pakati wangu, my parents are not a charity case. Ita life yako nemhuri yako. Why do you think you can come into my life and do something chandiri kutadza kuitira vabereki vangu? I was yet vanhu ava vakandirangarira in my time of need. Hazvisi show off. I'm just trying to help. My question is, would I be wrong if I went to the parents directly and told them my intentions? I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for the opportunity they gave me. It's my way of showing gratitude. Please share your thoughts on my issue.
Oh, thank you so much, Adziva, for our hot topic for today. 0772162651. Yeah. Argatinzwe kwamuri kuti munozviona say our hot topic for today. Atsanangura nyaya yake, and yeah. Messages are coming in. This one says, I would stay away from families zakadai zvinogona kukupinza pamawan. This one says, go to the parents. I don't think kuti pane chakaipa. This one also coming in says, you can go to the parents directly. I don't see nothing wrong there. This one says, I think your answer unayo. You can go to the parents directly, but zvinogona kuzokuyipira. Why is he insisting kuti usabatsire? You can call in 0772162651 660-897-660-299. Those are the action lines. You can also send a voice note on our WhatsApp platform, Star FM.